Okay.
Try to run over there
Guenda.
so we get it from the front.
Kuja around. Nione kichwa.
Oh, it follows you.
Yeah.
Like a little mad dog. Hvad så, lille skat? Så overlevede du endelig. Så den forløbig. Jeg har lige fået at vide, at chancen for, at den overlever de næste 4 måneder, det er lidt under 50%. Og efter dem, så er det lidt over. Så den cirka 51. Det er noget med, at den skal have tænder til den tid. Ja, den kan godt lide sin nye mor. Du skal bare vide, at jeg er din rigtige mor. Den har så et klæde over sig for at holde varmen. Det er åbenbart noget, de anser for lagtigt eller nødvendigt. De er meget sårbare, de elefanter, der ikke får deres mors mælk. Så, det var vel nok cute. You're still running? Now you got a new mom? Yes. Or was it the wrong one? Yeah. Ej, med dig, lille stump. Ja, du er da så sød. Ja. Det er fantastisk, den lille slattende kæl der, den bliver sådan en stærk snabel, der kan bære alt muligt. Og alle en masse tunge ting. I was so surprised when I saw it on a movie a few days ago. They made it on the phone that it was walking around with one of you.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll thank you for that. That was big for me.
Yeah.
Has she got a name?
Temporary we're calling Mara.
Mara.
Mara with a double R.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With a double R.
Yes.
Oh. So that's a name also.
Yes. Just this.
And
but we put an R so
Yeah,
that it's
yeah,
different
I
from
see.
the Mara the path.
Yeah. Is there any possibility that she is getting stressed when I'm here and she had got used to you, but
You see, she's looking for the keeper.
oh,
She
it
left
looks
here and
to you?
she's looking for the keeper. Yeah.
Yeah.
Kuja karibu akuone.
To be nicely dressed.
Yeah, to keep warm.
Yeah.
Nicely dressed to keep warm.
But I think I'll leave it in peace now. That was very nice. Thank
Yeah.
you for helping me.
Yeah. And thank you for rescuing this baby elephant,
Yeah.
because if it would not have been found, it would have died.
Yeah, and I also think if it had not been flown into here,
Yes.
it would have died.
Yes.
Because it was the very last, it was a cliffhanger.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you
it
for
was
rescuing
actually
and bringing
3
her
days
here.
since she was found
Yes.
with no food that I brought her here.
Oh.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm thankful to
Thank
all
you.
of you.
Thank you.